your body shape nice, body shape nice. Yo, you got the black girl.
This is gonna be an up close and personal video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I apply my false 3D lashes. It's called Wildcat 3D lashes, and I get them from Deja Vu. If you live in Nassau, I'm pretty sure you know where Deja Vu is on Michael Road. So I thought I heard someone call my name, but that wasn't nobody.
These are the lashes.
I thought I lost my glue just now, so you got your glue. Another thing you need, of course, is your tweezer. You need your lashes, your tweezer, and your glue. I don't use this kind of tweezers normally, but I just got to use this because I don't feel like going all the way in my bathroom just to go get the tweezer.
Lashes off of the container that it's on. I usually use a rat tail comb, dip it in the glue, and then apply it onto the lashes. That's what works for me. Now, if you have an easier way of doing it, or if you just want to squeeze it out from the little nozzle thing, then that's on you. But this is how I do it. So, dip it in, and I put however much glue I need.
See that? Bam! I hope this camera focusing. Alright, let's get into it. So, I hold in the lash with my lash applicator, and right now, of course, you want to make sure you have the right lash on the right eye. So, I put my glue, I let it dry a little bit. I had it on the wrong eye, so I had to switch it over to the next one. Alright, so girl, hurry up, go on the next side, please. Alright, so what I do, and I center in the lash, putting it right in the middle of my eyelid, and then clamping it down with the tweezer. Very close to my eyelid. So I put it right above my lash line. That's what it's called, right? I put it right above my lash line, and then of course I clamp it from the inner corner of my eye to the outer corner, just to make sure it is properly secured and it don't go flying off when the wind blows. So that is the first lash. It's a really simple process, man. How y'all don't get this? How y'all don't get this? Y'all got this. Y'all got this. Let's go to the next eye. Alright, so on the next eye, we're gonna get our next lash and we're gonna put glue on it. So after you put the glue on it, you hold it with your spoolie, or not spoolie, with your lash applicator or your tweezer. Tilt your head up so you can see in your mirror, so you can see exactly where you're putting it. Put the lash directly at the center of your lid, and then put it down and clamp it from inner corner of your eye to the outer corner of your eye. And then to make it even more secure, use your fingers and you clamp it down some more. Girls, if you have on nails, I could attest to this because I always have on nails when I put on my lashes. Thankfully I didn't today, but I always have on nails, and it's be kind of hard to clamp it down on the inside of the inside corner of your eye. So if you find it hard to do that and you have on nails, just use the tweezer and clamp it down. It'll be very much easier. So there you have it. I have to swallow. Thank y'all for taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope it was helpful to y'all who don't know how to apply lashes. Okay, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.